to get started on TikTok, go viral and make a shit ton of money, but you don't know what niche to choose, because everything seems to be done already. But in this video I'm gonna tell you about a niche that has a huge viral potential, it has low competition and high demand, and of course it is monetizable. And in this video I'll show you the whole process, how to create and edit these videos, and everything we're gonna use is completely free, because I'm guessing you're like me and you don't like to pay for shit. Let me show you. Step 1. The niche. It is a niche from YouTube and it's been going viral. Fuck off. And what we're gonna do in this video is take that niche from YouTube and just slap it on TikTok. You might think I'm dumb right now, but it's gonna work. And the niche is, drumroll, dark truth niche. Like, look at this video.
This is why you should never buy glitter again.
I'm pretty sure you've seen these type of videos on YouTube before, like the dark truth about Mr. Beast or whatever. And on TikTok there are videos like this, but there is no page, at least none which I could find. Now that you get my idea, my vision, we can move on to step number 2, which is starting to create the video. So first of all, we're gonna start with the video idea. This is the core of the viral video. If the idea is bad and you execute it perfectly, it's still gonna do shit. So what you need to do is get your ass down and do research. Don't just come up with shit out of your ass. So you do that by researching on YouTube. It could be a dark truth about anything. And then you can move on to creating the script for this video. The script can be made in 2 ways. Maybe 3, but I don't know if the third one, like 2.5 ways. First is ChatGPT. If you want to use it, you can feel free and do so, but it's pretty bad. But the best thing you can do is find a similar video on YouTube, watch that video, actually understand that video, don't ask AI to summarize it please, and write a small paragraph like 100 to 150 words if your low attention span brain can handle that. The second and a half way of doing that is actually combining these two together, but don't ask ChatGPT to create a script for you, but instead ask ChatGPT to create an outline for a script about the topic, and then just fill in the blanks. Still, the best way is the second way. Now that you have a script, we can move on to the voiceover. In this part I don't have a problem with AI voiceover, or pretty simple, you can use your mic, like this stuff. You can use 11 Labs, which is the best AI voice, or you can use your phone, you know, talk to the microphone. That was simple. And the next step is generating your images or finding your images. You can also do that while editing the video, or you can do that before, like right now, and you can use either Pinterest, Google, or Leonardo.ai. If you're gonna use Leonardo AI, it's completely free, and if you run out of tokens, you can create a new account. So the best method, especially for this niche, is Googling, using Pinterest, using YouTube. I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it after. And the last step, the best one, it is the editing. We're gonna use only one piece of software, and for the sake of free stuff, we're gonna use CapCut. I'm gonna do a voiceover here, and you're gonna see what the fuck I'm doing on the screen right now probably. So you just go ahead and create a project, and then you just slap everything in there, one by one of course, don't rush things please. And then you just start with the voiceover and do some cuts. So after you do the cuts, you add your images. You can do a simple edit and just use images that zoom in, zoom out, and have transitions in between. But the way I usually do it is by using a combination of Google Images and movie scenes. Then you put everything together, you want the screen to move, add some effects, you know, zoom in, zoom out. Then I usually add some kind of an adjustment layer above, and then I do some tweaks and changes to make the video look cooler and a bit darker, because we are gonna add subtitles that we want to pop out. Then we'll add the subtitles, you know, auto captions and all that stuff. Make it your own, make it personal, but don't make it ugly please. Don't use the same font as everyone else. We're gonna add the title in the beginning of the video, maybe I've already done that, I don't know. And we're gonna customize the title as well, because we don't want to use the same boring title that TikTok has. And then we're gonna add music, which will change almost everything, the whole vibe of the video. I usually use some dramatic and suspense music, because it really fits in with the vibe of the video. I think this is it. Everything ties together perfectly. If I forgot something, I'm gonna add it to the screen. But it's pretty simple to create. TikTok is TikTok, it's not a YouTube video. So you want everything moving, and moving constantly, and moving fast. So yeah, that's it pretty much. Look at the results, I guess.
Coraline is viewed as a quirky, spooky tale for kids, but it hides a darker message. The other mother is more than just a villain. She represents neglect and manipulation from parents. Coraline's real parents are emotionally distant, making her susceptible to the other mother's false love. The strange world she discovers reveals a child's fear of being abandoned and the reality of adults being emotionally disconnected. The unsettling button eyes symbolize a need for control, highlighting how far some will go to keep someone under their influence, regardless of the consequences.